All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I have some unfortunate news, and I'm also gonna discuss and some unfortunate news about Dunbeholden, but I'm also gonna do the preview for the Jamaica Tier Two. Now, I actually gave it I actually gave it a name. I'm not sure if they're gonna run with this name. Let's see if let's see if they will run with this name. But I do think it's actually quite a fitting name. But we're gonna run through the fixtures that is coming up over the weekend for the Tier Two. So we're gonna stick around for that. But let's first run through Dunbeholden. What's happening at Dunbeholden? It's some unfortunately some really really unfortunate news. But before I get into that, guys, please smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Most definitely, people. And let's get straight into it. I won't waste any of you guys' time. Time is quite short on me this morning. Let's go. All right, so Rob relieves Dunbeholden players without salary. Very, very unfortunate, I believe. Extremely unfortunate. Let's continue. Let's get more in-depth details on what happened. Despite a major dent to their finances following a robbery, manager of Dunbeholden Football Club, Paul Christie, has maintained a positive outlook as he believes the setback is another bump in the road that they will overcome. It is understood that the incident occurred in Spanish Town on Wednesday after Christie left the bank where he encashed a check. Whoa. So why would he walk around with so much money? Anyways, however, a stop to get an envelope on his way back proved costly as he was held up at gunpoint and relieved of the money intended for the player's salary. Though reluctant to say much about the incident, Chris said it has left a bad taste in the players' mouth as they were looking forward to their salaries. Everyone is looking forward to their salaries. Everyone. I don't get a salary I'm looking forward to or something. It's an ongoing investigation, so I don't want to speak about it. But it has affected the players from a mental perspective. That's natural because these are human beings we are dealing with, and they were looking forward to their salary. Christie told the Gleaner. Still, he said the players have been understanding of the situation and are trying to remain positive ahead of their next encounter away to Umberland on Sunday. They sent catching base. Don't really need to that. Yeah. We don't have any angry players at Dunbeholden FC. We are only one family, and we do everything together to ensure the camaraderie in the club remains intact at all times. So in a situation like this, we share the pain together, and so we are just trying to remain positive throughout, the manager noted. In fact, Christie pointed out that facing setbacks and financial hurdles in particular is nothing new to the club, just as they did in the past. They will also clear this hurdle. We have been going through difficulties before, maybe not like this, but we have always faced our struggles and had odds against us, said Christie. So this is nothing new. We have always found ways to recover and defy the odds against us. So we'll figure it out and get past this. It's all in the police hands, and we are confident that, like everything else, we will try to figure it out or find a way to overcome, he added. No, I do believe that is some very very unfortunate news. I'm being honest, that is quite unfortunate. I highly doubt why you would walk around with that much amount of money. We have a new system now, a new modern era called wire transfer. So why you need to walk around with that much money? But anyways, that's not really my business. I'm just asking questions. In the same sense, it's very unfortunate for the players because these guys are looking for after a hard week of work. They're looking forward to collect something after a hard month of work. These guys are looking forward to collect something, and they do put in a lot of work, and they do deserve the little much that they get. I'm just saying. But anyways, and nevertheless, it's quite difficult to understand. But I hopefully the players can get through this. This should not even really be that big of a deal because you should have actually had maybe something in the bank just in case a situation like this occur. Whereas you know something might happen this month and maybe the check didn't come through in time, and you have that particular money to pay the players just in time so that the players can pay on time, moreover, and then now you can wait on the check. I'm just giving a scenario that the reason why you should have had some cash in the bank, cash in the bag. Is it back or bag? I'm not even sure the term, but you should actually have overlays where you know that just in case of any little thing, regards to check and whatever, you still have money to pay the players at least minimum half of their salaries until maybe a week time or so. You can actually fulfill that that the rest of their salaries. But I do think that it's very unfortunate. I'm happy that I'm not one of the Dunbeholden players, because I would have been fuming. As he said, he does not have angry players in the dressing room. So luckily, I am not in the dressing in the dressing room. But I'll be mad. I'll be mad. But anyways, so the Jamaican Tier 2 Championship. That's what I call it. The Jamaican Tier 2 Championship. T2C. The T2C kicks off tomorrow. And I have the schedules. Hopefully, you guys are interested in. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in. I know a lot of people are very much interested in football in Jamaica, but let's see how you guys are interested in the ground root, the grass root, I should say, of football in Jamaica. So this year is the fixtures of the Jamaica Tier 2 Championship, JT2C. T2C. Anyways, so first game, this is actually game week 1. This is actually June the 4th. All these games will be playing on June the 4th. Kickoff time 3:30 p.m. I'm going to give you guys the venue also. So Jamaican Tier 2 Championship game week 1. First we have Falmouth versus Falkland FC. That's Elliston Wakefield Center. We have Baptista Alliance SC versus Portlanders FC. And I heard about Portlanders. I mean, hearing really good reports about Portlanders. That's going to be played at York's Sports Complex. We have York Sports Complex. Where's that? We have Treasure Beach FC versus Shackleton Maroons at Bread's Sports Park. Why is this not moving? Yeah, at Bread Sports Park. Then we have Wadada versus Albion Mountain FC. That's at Jarrett Park. We have Downs YC versus Lime Hall Academy. That's at Downs Community Center. We have Opal United versus True Juice. I do apologize with the E. It should be TRU Juice FC. That's going to be played at Orchard Sports Complex. I will try to see how best I can get coverage of these games. I'm not sure. As you can see, here's the date and time. June 4th at 2022. Let me see if I can minimize this so you guys can see it. So I don't really want to take it off the screen as yet. So I want you guys to still have a look at it. So you guys can still have a look at it. So that is it, people. That's it right there. So that is actually the Jamaica Tier 2 Championship. Hopefully, guys, tune in and look out. Look out, people. Look out. I know most of you guys must have some family member playing in these competition. I'm not sure, but anyways, that's the information that I have to pass on this morning. Unfortunately, with Dunbeholden, the situation with Dunbeholden really, really unfortunate. Then now we're going to speaking about the Jamaica Tier 2 Championship, which kicks off this weekend. So stand by, look out for the results. I will be posting the results on my social media and also on my YouTube channel. I'll be doing the preview for the JPL weekend. Boiling down to the final part of the JPL now. So look out for the preview and look out for something this morning. Keep an eye out. Until next time, Military Guna TV people, we are out.